ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it is going to be a hotel room tour, and the suite that I have, I don't know the name of it, but I will find out and let you guys know. But this is the hallway, this is the entrance, and the first thing of the entrance is a beautiful picture of the mountains, and I love the fact that it's in black and white because it goes very well with the wallpaper, as you can see. And then you're gonna come this way, follow me. So this is the hallway, and then on the right you have your little canteen area with the coffee and also coffee maker here, and then also down here it's supposed to be, I don't know why we can't get this open, but it's supposed to be, you know, your pops and waters here, but that one is not opening, and I don't know why. Maybe because of the pandemic that's still going on, they probably just locked it up and they're not allowing us to have anything from there. And then in here, this is the closet, and inside the closet you have your safe there, and also 2 drawers, and it came with 2 robes. And I love the fact that it also came with some cute little slippers for the woman and the guy. Isn't that just super cute? It comes in black and white, and we can take these home, you know, right? We're gonna take those home because it's free, I think. You think they're gonna charge us?
And baby, no. If you don't take it home, they'll throw it out to the garbage.
Okay. And so to the left, what we have here is the bathroom. And also I love that it has these doors, the swinging doors to the right. That's super, very modern, I feel like, right? It's a really modern. So this is the bathroom, and I love the fact that it has 2 sinks here and the huge mirrors where you can see everything. And then to the right, we have the tub. Beautiful, deep tub. Seems like they're clean. You want to make sure that it's make sure that it's clean there. And I love the wallpaper. The wallpaper is marble. You know, this is like marble wallpaper, right? It's like gray marble wallpaper, which is very modern looking to me. To the left here, we have the shower room. The shower is very small, right? It's a very small shower. But I like the fact that it has a stool that you can sit down if you want to just relax and sit down and take a lovely shower. And then you can do it 2 ways. You can do it this way if you want to just do it by hand, or you can do it from the ceiling to the top. So I love that. That is a cute little, nice little shower there. And then I like the fact that they have a robe right here in the shower room. Cut that out. Cut that out. No, just kidding. I'm just kidding. Sorry. So yeah, I like the fact that they have the robe there, and then you have your toilet as well. So now let's move to the bedroom. And then move to the bedroom. Okay, we're gonna come down the bedroom, have some stairs here. You come down, and then look at this beautiful view. Yeah, I'm a type of person that I like where it's a view, and the view of the beach is so beautiful. So as you can see, it's like a panoramic view of the beach there, and then you have your bed here, which is so pretty. Well, I always do that. I did that last time in the room tour. But yeah, it's very soft though and comfortable. It's really, really soft. But I love that. That's cute. And then to the left, we just have a little sitting area where you can sit down, and they have some beautiful artwork pieces here. And it's so comfortable and very classy and very elegant. I love that. And then, so now, and then this is also the TV. So now this is the grand finale, which is the view. That's the best part of the hotel. And the weather is nice. It feels so good outside. So here's the the ocean. It just sounds so relaxing and enjoying